Hey folks, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm taking you on a ride with me on one of New Zealand's most beautiful and scenic roads. Of all the roads that I've driven on in New Zealand, this has to be one of my favorites. This is State Highway 80, or otherwise known as the Mount Cook Road. This road goes about 40 minutes long, and it connects the main State Highway 8, to our final destination, the Mount Cook Village. Along the way, we are greeted with amazing views. Views of the Lake Pukaki on our right, and the mountains on our left. In fact, this footage that you're watching right now was actually filmed on the very first time that I had driven on this road, back in October 2024. Needless to say, I was blown away. Besides the Mount Cook village at the end of the road also takes us to Glentana, a small lakeside town where there is a holiday park and also a small airport for people to take scenic flights and do skydiving from. Along the way, there are plenty of lookout spots as well, where you can pull over for that postcard photo. About 10 minutes drive into the Mount Cook Road is a lavender farm called NZ Alpine Lavender. The lavender farm is open from mid-November through to March of the following year. But the best time to visit is typically right in the middle of that time frame, when the flowers are at their most vibrant. And I'll have a separate video on my visit to the lavender farm. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on it when that video rolls out. And now I shall leave you to a few minutes of peace, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the drive. We have now arrived in the Mount Cook village. Right in front of us is Mount Sebastopol. It sits at the back of the Mount Cook village, overlooks the village. On Mount Sebastopol, you can do the Red Tarns track. It's a 45-minute track up Mount Sebastopol, and it gives you an amazing bird's eye view looking over the Mount Cook village. And right in front of us now we see two snowy mountains. On our right we have Mount Wakefield, and right in front of us now is Mount Sefton. Mount Sefton is snowy throughout the year, and it's the most magnificent mountain that you can see from the Mount Cook village just because it's so close. And right here on the right hand side you see a triangular building, and that was my staff accommodation for a good 4 months when I lived at the Mount Cook village. So thank you for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to never miss new content that rolls out every now and then. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.